I'm a police officer with the Grand Prairie Police Department. I've been with them for about 6 years. Police officer overall for about 17 years. When I was 12 years old, got into a bicycling accident where I had to have surgery back in the 70s where they removed a good portion of my meniscus in my right knee. My knee pain gradually got worse and worse and worse. I went to a doctor in Fort Worth who recommended that I need a knee replacement. I got a referral about Good Shepherd Hospital.
Ed came to me with terrible knee arthritis. He's only 50 years old. He's a policeman, he's on his feet all the time, and he can't do what he wants to do. I mean, he's 50, he's young, and he still has an active lifestyle, not to mention an active job. It was clear that he had end-stage knee arthritis, and a lot of people do in their 50s, and was really at the end of his tether. So next option is a knee replacement.
The week before I had the surgery here, there was a Joint Works orientation. I was explained step by step the procedure, the care, the treatment, the therapy, the rehabilitation, the whole 9 yards. Everything was explained. There was no fear when I left. I knew exactly what was going to happen.
People are really scared that they're going to have a lot of pain. We go to great lengths to control their pain as well as we can. And the reason why we control their pain is not only to make them feel better, but we get better long-term results if we control their pain initially. He went home after a couple days in the hospital. He never even required morphine, just pain pills. And he did his therapy in the Dallas area. He came to see me a few times, got excellent range of motion, had a great attitude, and now he's back to doing what he wants to do.
The employees at Good Shepherd that I came in contact with, from the nurses to the doctors to the staff, were fantastic. I don't believe that I could have received the type of care that I did anywhere other than Good Shepherd.
If you're going to get the same quality of care in a place like Longview, and arguably better than you can get in the big city, why would you go that far? We think we can provide better quality of care, and we can do it cheaper. We think people from Dallas should be coming to Longview, and Ed's a perfect example of that.
I'm able to fish, I'm able to golf, I'm able to get back into the gym. All of those things, you have to have good mobility in your legs. I didn't have that prior to Good Shepherd. Now I do. And my overall quality of life has improved dramatically because of the treatment and care that I got from Good Shepherd.
At Good Shepherd Medical Center, our name says good, our care is great.